dog. I am home. I am in Scranton, PA. Been home for several weeks, just haven't really done much because of quarantine and everything, but I got my hair done today. Just got it basically like darkened again, but yeah. So I'm going to Starbucks now. I don't know what I'm going to do after that because there's really not much to do. All the restaurants are just takeout only, and so there's only really like stores open to go into. But yeah, it's really cold. It's like 30 degrees, and we're supposed to get a snowstorm tomorrow, so maybe I'll vlog some of that if I maybe go outside in the snow. That'll be rare, but we'll see. And yeah, so I'm gonna drive. I'm not gonna vlog and drive. That's very dangerous. So yeah, see you at Starbucks. Funny story. Last night I had a dream about Blake Gray. It's pretty great, you know. He was like pretended that he wasn't dating Amelie, which is kind of funny, but yeah, would literally freak out if I saw Blake Gray just walking down the street and talking to me like a normal human being. Yeah, I know you don't care, but that was my dream last night. Pretty cool, pretty rad. I got this damn pimple on my side of my lip that I just don't. I got a piece. We're moving, so I don't want to get in an accident. But yeah, so if you see just this ugly dot on my face, it's a pimple. It's not, yeah, it's just ugly. It has its mind of itself. So okay, see you at Starbucks. Bye. Alright, got our Starbucks. I got my usual iced caramel macchiato. I'm just sitting in the Target parking lot. Except, I mean, like I need a straw to mix it because all the caramel's at the bottom. That's fine. Save the turtles. Then I also got an everything bagel, toasted butter. And if you see me looking around, I'm just making sure no one's just awkwardly staring at me as I'm vlogging and eating this bagel. I'm gonna lock the doors though. But yeah. Are you guys watching that like teacher show? We started it, but then my sister, she lives in Nashville, so she flew back. So we didn't want to watch it without her, but we're gonna wait to watch like the other episodes. It's really whack. The girl's just kind of creepy, but weird, but yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. Hold on, you know why these are the best everything bagels? Because they're so thin, and they put so much good shit on it. If you never had Starbucks everything bagels, you should really try it. Good stuff. I'm so boring. Forever 21 has a lot of new stuff. I'm impressed. I don't know if you can hear me, but they have a lot of new stuff. I'm very impressed. Guys, how do I look? I think I dig it. I'm just kidding. Me. Okay, well, it's good that I didn't buy anything at the mall because I wanted to save some money. Alright, vloggy, I am home. I am going to insert some clips that I was going to put into another vlog, but it just wouldn't be very long, so this is before I left Nashville at the Titans game, so enjoy. Hey vlog! We have the Titans game! Woo! Woo!
Yes, tighten up, tighten up. Do you see that? That's real.
Yes. Look at Spice, show it again.
Yo, I don't bluff, bro. Aiming at your head.
Vlog, we're going in the snow.
Polly's like, oh god, guys, day again in the snow. Oh, she has school all day.
Guys, I'm gonna put this on. You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Oh wait.
Hi. It's my mother. Alright, we're gonna put these on and then come back. Peace. I think these snow pants should be a new fashion statement. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna go put a jacket on and then we're gonna go. Peace. I look like an Oompa Loompa.
Oompa Loompa.
It's so cold. And it's sunny though, so it's nice. But we probably got like a little overfoot. My nose is so red. You see my breathing? It's so cold. Just gonna lay in the snow. Ah! Almost dropped my phone. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm going to end the vlog here or film like Friday, like tomorrow, but I don't know if there's even anything going on tomorrow. So if not, I'm gonna end it here, but I hope it's kind of boring vlog, but I hope you enjoyed my day shopping and then my day in the snow. So like and subscribe, please join the channel, and more to come on vlogs and some challenges. Maybe I'll have some family members appear, friends, something. But yeah, like and subscribe, please. It's greatly appreciated. This lighting kind of sucks, but I'm gonna go enjoy the snow a little more and then maybe make some hot chocolate. So, alright.